It's good to be back at BIMTECH in Greater Noida. BIMTECH has been going strong for many years now, and it is a privilege to be back here and to see Dr. Chaturvedi and other colleagues. My purpose here of coming to the Institute is to give a short talk about China's billionaire entrepreneurs. China has achieved remarkable economic success over the last 40 years, and but it's in a very different political system. China's political system obviously is very different, and therefore the place of Chinese entrepreneurs in that political system is the topic of my talk today. So I'm going to look at how China's billionaire entrepreneurs interact with the Chinese Communist Party under President Xi Jinping. China has just concluded its 20th Chinese Communist Party Congress, and a number of these billionaires were also participants in this Congress. China, of course, is the only country where you can be both a billionaire and a communist, and that's going to be really the theme of my talk today. Now, just for you know, in terms of my introduction, I'm an academic who specializes in Chinese politics at the University of Melbourne in Australia. And at the University of Melbourne, I teach and research on Chinese politics and also China's foreign policy, international relations. Amongst the subjects, the courses that I teach at the University of Melbourne is also a course called Politics and Business in Post-Mao China, which looks at the relationship between China's business elites and the Chinese Communist Party. So that is some of what I'll be talking about today. So thank you.